Hi, this is Melanie at Centervention, and in this brief video tutorial, I'll be reviewing how to roll back unused student licenses. You can use a rollback feature anytime you have a student that did not use a license you assigned to them. You are able to then roll back that license to your account to use with another student. Please note that once a student does log in and play with the license, you will not be able to roll it back to your account. Let's get started. You will first log into your educator account at app.centervention.com. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Manage Students page from the left-hand side of the toolbar. On the Manage Students page and the My Students tab under Student Information is where you will see a list of your active students. To the left of the student name is a little rollback button. That button will be lit up blue if the student never logged in and played with their license you assigned them. If they did log in to play, the button will be grayed out and you cannot click it to roll back the license. To roll back an eligible license, simply click the blue rollback button and then click rollback. You will see your license count go up by 1 since it was added back to your account, and you can now use it with another student. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to use the live chat button located on the bottom right-hand side in your educator account, or you can always reach out to us at support@centervention.com.